Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. The Somhlolo National Stadium was packed with excitement as Eswatini celebrated King Mswati III's double milestone, 40 years on the throne and his 58th birthday. Heads of state and former leaders from across Southern Africa showed up. There was Daniel Chapo, Mozambique President, Emmerson Mnangagwa, Zimbabwe President, Duma Boko, Botswana President, Jacob Zuma, former South African President, and Ian Khama, former Botswana President. Plus, diplomats, invited guests, and thousands of Amaswati. Mswati III became king in 1986 at the age of 18 after his father King Sobhuza II died. He is Africa's last absolute monarch. The event combined his birthday and reign anniversary, a major national holiday in Eswatini. Mnangagwa, Boko and Chapo's attendance shows continued diplomatic relations despite Eswatini's different political system. Zuma and Khama's presence highlights personal ties with the royal family. Eswatini, formerly Swaziland, is Africa's last absolute monarchy. The king appoints the prime minister and has final say on laws. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.